Hello, everybody. Welcome into your Talking Fitchburg headlines on this Wednesday, February 15th, 2023. Jeremy Crosby here, and hope you're having a great day as we work through a Wednesday. Let's take a look at the headlines we have for you this evening. We start with the Fitchburg Police Department. It will be hosting a public information meeting. That's right. This community meeting will be held in the West District. It's on February 22nd from 5:30 to 7 p.m. It'll be at Redeemer City Church. That's located at 5356 King James Way here in Fitchburg. You'll receive updates from the police department on events and news, learn about crime and call for service data trends in your area, learn crime prevention tips, and of course, your chance to share concerns and feedback with the Fitchburg Police Department. We'll be covering this event. We'll be taping it and rebroadcasting, so we can't make it out, but you still want to listen in. We'll have coverage of that for you here on our community channel, F2. From the free community meal and vaccine clinic from Badger Prairie Needs Network. They'll be taking place this weekend. That's right. If you are interested, the Badger Prairie Needs Network is hosting a free vaccine clinic on Saturday from 9:45 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. After you get your vaccine, then you can stop in for your community meal. Yeah, for some delicious hot lunch that begins at 8:30. Come one, come all. No ID needed. No anything. Just come on down and get vaccinated, and of course, enjoy the community lunch. If you're vaccinated, well, you can come down and cheer people on who can get vaccinated or can join in on that community meal there. Anybody is welcome to the community meal at the Badger Prairie Needs Network. Over to the team building workshops coming up here from the Boys and Girls Club, all part of a bigger plan. As we know, we've got the McKenzie Regional Workforce Center that is being built as we speak. Either way, starting up this week, you can sign up for team building workshops as the Boys and Girls Club are hosting with the partner Habitat for Humanity. We'll be hosting 4 workshops through the end of May for teens ages 16 to 18 to learn about building houses. The workshops will start this Friday. Space is limited, so sign up today. You can register through the Boys and Girls Club website. The information's on the screen. Most importantly, we share the link to our stories, so you can check that out and get signed up through there. Framing is this Friday, February 17th, followed by siding on March 10th, flooring on April 7th, and interior trim May 26th. Trim is hard. I'm just going to say that right now. So I say if you're interested in building, this would be a perfect way to learn a little bit more about that. All right, other news, the Fitchburg Family Pharmacy has drop-in medication reviews coming up this week. Medication review will be happening at the Senior Center on Thursday, February 16th from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. You can drop in to ask any questions, concerns, anything that you might have related to medications. They'll answer your questions at the Senior Center this Thursday, 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. Let's hope that the snow doesn't mess up that great event there. Author appearance will be happening at the Fitchburg Public Library this weekend. Maggie Ginsberg will be in. She's the author appearance going to be happening on Sunday, February 19th. Join the Wisconsin author Maggie Ginsberg as she reads from and discusses her novel, Still True. We'll be at the Fitchburg Public Library from 2 to 3 p.m. in the meeting room, large meeting room there on the second floor. If you got any questions, stop in at the library and check in with them. Platelets Needed from the Red Cross is calling for anybody who can help with platelets. Platelet donors are needed. Platelets are life-saving reinforcements in the battle against cancer. These tiny cells in your blood from clots to stop bleeding. That's what they help with. Donations of platelets have dropped this winter. Cancer treatment and surgeries are at risk. Will you help? You can learn more by going to Red Cross, the website. That's rcblood.org/platelet if you are interested in donating. And if they need the help for sure. The wintertime tends to be the toughest time, especially around here, because we have lots of snow and cold and everything else in between. So please, if you can help out, that would be much appreciated. Let's turn our attention now to the weekly respiratory report. Good news here. In the latest report in the Wisconsin DHS says the percentage of lab tests have come back positive for flu continues to decline in Wisconsin. That's good news. Have a great day.